Hi there, welcome to Ton Orbital. I'm Tonio, and today I'll be showing you how to use Swap Coffee, a decentralized exchange aggregator on the Ton blockchain. We'll explore how to make swaps efficiently with this powerful tool. Whether you're deep into DeFi or just getting started, Swap Coffee can help you secure the best rates when trading tokens across multiple decentralized exchanges. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Swap Coffee? Swap Coffee is a DEX aggregator, which means it searches across multiple decentralized exchanges to find the best rates for token swaps. It helps you optimize your trades by selecting the most cost-effective route, reducing slippage, and ensuring you get the most value when trading tokens on the Ton blockchain. First, open your web browser and navigate to swap.coffee. Next, you'll need to connect your Ton wallet. Just click on the Connect Wallet button at the top of the page. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to Swap Coffee. First, select the token you want to send, in this case, Ton. Then, choose the token you wish to receive. We'll select CES as our example. Swap Coffee automatically displays the best prices from various decentralized exchanges, ensuring you get the best rate. Just enter the amount you want to trade and the platform handles the rest. After that, click on the swap button and confirm the transaction in your wallet. As you can see, Swap Coffee shows that DDust provides the best rate for this swap, so we are actually using DDust through Swap Coffee. Next, we'll take a closer look at some advanced features, explaining what they are and how they operate. Click here and then click on the expert mode. Now, let's go through these settings and terms step by step. First up is slippage tolerance. When you make a trade, the price of the token may change slightly before your transaction is finalized. This change is called slippage. Slippage tolerance allows you to set the maximum amount of price movement you're willing to accept before the trade gets canceled. For example, if you set your slippage tolerance to 5% and the price of the token changes by more than 5% before the trade goes through, Swap Coffee will stop the transaction to prevent you from losing more than expected. Next, we have price impact. This is the effect your trade has on the market price of the token you're buying or selling. If you're trading a large amount or if the market for that token isn't very liquid, your trade could move the price significantly. Swap Coffee allows you to set a limit on the price impact. If your trade would change the price by more than this limit, the transaction won't go through. This feature protects you from making trades that could affect the price too much, especially in low liquidity markets. Now, let's talk about intermediate tokens. Sometimes Swap Coffee will break your trade into smaller steps, using other tokens as intermediaries to get you the best price. These are called intermediate tokens. You can control how many intermediate tokens are used in a trade by adjusting the max number of intermediaries. While longer routes with more tokens might give you better prices, they can also use more gas and take longer to complete. Intermediate tokens are used in two main scenarios. One, when a direct trading pair between two tokens is not available. Two, to get a better price, even if a direct pair exists. Here is an example. Imagine you want to trade token A for token C, but there's no direct liquidity pool between these two tokens on the decentralized exchanges. In this case, Swap Coffee might suggest swapping token A into token B first, and then swapping token B into token C. Next up is pool volatility. Swap Coffee connects to liquidity pools to complete your trades. Some of these pools can be highly volatile, meaning the price within the pool changes quickly and unpredictably. If you want to avoid high-risk pools, you can use this setting to exclude routes that involve highly volatile pools. Volatility is measured by how much the price has fluctuated in the pool over the last 15 minutes. Excluding these pools makes your trades safer, especially if you're new and want to minimize risk. Let's say in the last 15 minutes, the price of token X in the pool has been jumping all over the place. First it's worth $1, then it's 80 cents, then it's $120. This is an example of a highly volatile pool. If you trade in a volatile pool, the price could change a lot before your transaction is completed, which could mean you end up paying more or getting less than expected. Finally, we have parallel transactions. Swap Coffee can split your trade across multiple routes, which may help you get a better price or reduce slippage. You can set the maximum number of parallel transactions up to 4 routes, even more with W5 Wallet to increase the chances of finding the best deal. This can be useful for more advanced users or those making large trades, but keep in mind that splitting your trade over many routes can increase gas fees. Think of it like shopping for a product at different stores. Instead of buying everything from one store where the price might be higher, you go to 3 or 4 different stores to find the best prices and buy a little bit from each one. And that's it. Swap Coffee makes decentralized trading easy by helping you find the best rates across different exchanges in one place. It's a great tool for anyone looking to trade on the Ton blockchain, so give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital for the latest news and updates in the Ton ecosystem. See you in the next video.